Now let's go over what rapid rescoring is. It's basically a service offered by credit vendors that allows mortgage lenders and loan originators to quickly update a borrower's credit report with recent changes. This service can be crucial when trying to improve a borrower's credit score to qualify for a mortgage or to secure better loan terms. Now let's go over how it basically works. Number one, you're going to identify the necessary updates. The process starts when the loan originator or borrower identifies inaccuracies on the credit report or recent financial changes that are not yet reflected, such as paying down credit card balances or loan balances, correcting errors or outdated information, you know, inaccurate account status or payment history. Sometimes they paid on time, but it appears as late. Paying off loans or collection accounts, updating account status, such as closing a line of credit. Number two, you're going to gather documentation. The borrower must provide official documentation to support the requested updates. This may include payment receipts showing debts have been paid off, usually by credit cards. They send you a letter from the credit card company with that information. Bank statements confirming payments, letters from creditors correcting errors or updating account statuses if either the account is not being disputed anymore or if they came to an agreement as to a balance that needs to be paid off.